Hi, I'm Joy. As you know, Tesla released its 2024 holiday update to integrate the Tesla app with the Apple Watch. While you can now control your Tesla directly from your Apple Watch, there are still times when you may have your hands full and you're not able to tap on the watch to execute the commands. And what do? There actually has been Siri Shortcuts available for you to do voice commands through your Apple Watch or iOS devices before the holiday update. I know I should have made this video earlier, but hey, better late than never, right? In this video, I will show you how easy it is to set up Siri voice commands so that when your hands are full, you can use your voice to control your Tesla like this. Siri, open frunk. All right, so here is what you do to set up shortcuts for your Tesla app to be used with Siri voice command. Come to your Shortcuts app on your iOS device, open it up. Here you see that I already have several shortcuts created. For demonstration purposes, I am going to set up the open trunk one step by step so you can see just how easy it is to do. All you have to do is tap on the plus sign on the upper right-hand corner right next to select. And then in the search actions field, type in Tesla. You will see Tesla showing up, then tap on it. And here, if you scroll down, you will see several categories of commands that you can set up for Siri Shortcuts. I am going to scroll down to Vehicle Control, and here you will see the open/close rear trunk section. Since I am going to create one to open the trunk, I am going to tap on Open, and voila, here is the preset shortcut for this particular command. Now, I am not tapping done just yet because there are a couple things that I am going to do to make it run more seamlessly. First, I am going to tap on the arrow that is next to Joy Mobile, which is the name of my Tesla Model 3. And I am going to toggle off show when run. I am turning this off so that when this command is run, the interface will be a lot cleaner. There will be no extra step for my screen to show the shortcut. Next, I am going to tap on the down arrow next to open/close rear trunk up on top. I'm going to rename this to open trunk. So this is the actual command that I am going to tell Siri to do when I enable it. After I've renamed this, I can now tap done and then done again. And there it is, the open trunk command has been created. And just for fun and for practice, I am going to create one for open the frunk. So again, I am tapping on the plus sign on the upper right-hand corner. Look up Tesla, tap on it, scroll all the way down to Vehicle Control section, and there is Open Frunk. So I'm going to tap on Open Frunk, tap on the arrow next to Joy Mobile, which is the name of my Tesla, turn off Show When Run. Now, because this shortcut is already named Open Frunk, I do not need to tap on the down arrow and rename it to something else. Unless you want to name it something else, then go ahead and do it. But I'm keeping it as Open Frunk. So I'm just going to tap done, and the Open Frunk voice command for Siri is now created. So that's it. That is how simple and easy it is for you to set up Siri shortcuts, to use your voice to control your Tesla whenever you need it. To be honest, I've actually been using this before the 2024 holiday update, so I apologize again for not sharing this with you sooner. But hey, now you know. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. I will see you in the next one, and God bless.